Welcome back to MarineMax. Today we're up in Danvers inside the showroom. We're going to be walking through a 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. We're outside the boat right now. You have a couple of different color combinations available in this. This one is the Horizon majority color with the Sea Ray blue accent stripe. We have the black power tower up top. And it does have that extending awning that comes off the back there. That awning actually folds all the way down to the windshield and it articulates all by itself. So it'll stay level throughout it. As we get to the back of the boat here, first thing you're going to notice is sea deck. You have a really awesome design throughout the sea deck, custom, that Sea Ray actually had designed especially to match the upholstery and the lines throughout the boat. As we jump in, you'll notice the 300 Mercury V8 on the back. That's in the white cowling, and it's going to have a 4-blade stainless steel prop on the bottom there. I'm going to let you walk up in there. I'll follow you back. The first thing you're going to notice is going to be that awesome sunpad that's covering up there. So because this boat is an outboard configuration, this is the same amount of space that you traditionally would have with an IO configuration, but this is all storage inside of it. So really nice setup, really convenient, and it's a reason why a lot of people are switching to the outboard setup here. You still have plenty of room back here on the swim platform. You have your water fill here, gas fill, and a freshwater sprayer down the other side. You got cup holders off the back. You have a radio control back here, and even a USB outlet. Walking into the boat, you'll see I have plenty of room here. If you're coming from a fixed dock, you have sea deck as an anti-skid on here on top of the gunnel so that you don't slip when you're getting in. Your tower controls are here, and a doorway that's going to go right here. You'll notice I have plenty of room here walking into the boat. You have a nice L-shaped lounger. You can see we have the companion seat turned around here so that you can actually, have a great day on the water and everybody feels like we're together. Plenty of storage underneath these seats. Gas assisted. This storage goes all the way back to the transom, so if you have skis, a paddle, anything like that, you stuff them right underneath. Huge ski locker down the center line. You have a cooler under this seat here. And then both of these seats up front have nice flip-up bolsters. As we look at the helm here, they did a really nice job. You can see the twin Simrad displays up front, the integrated flush mount fusion audio system, stainless steel push buttons for your anchor, your windlass, running lights, all that fun stuff there. And on the inside of the gunnel, you have the Mercury digital throttle and shift with push to start and the active trim. Below that, you have a wireless charger, a cup holder, and a couple of more charging outlets there. As we walk up to the front of the boat, I'm going to stop here at the starboard side. You can see a well-pointed head under here with a sink and a nice magnetic latch to keep that going if the boat's rocking. Up on top of that, you do have a lock and glove box. I call it your phone wallet keys. Right in there. You got a subwoofer in front of the companion seat and beautiful speakers as well. As you walk to the front of the boat, you notice just how much room you have for lounging here. You have a table mount front and center line. So you can put a table there, you can put drinks out, you can put cold cuts out, whatever is convenient that day. And then up in front of that, you have windlass, your windlass access, and all of that beautiful storage up top. This does have storage in front of this starboard seat here that goes actually all the way down behind. And then you also have trash underneath the helm. Really nice to have dedicated trash there. Really just convenient. You don't realize how much stuff you have and how nice it is to have a dedicated spot there. Listen, 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Inside the showroom, we got a bunch of other boats as well as our other brands. We got Sea Rays, we got whalers. Out back, we have used inventory. If you want to come down and check this one out, don't be shy. If it's raining, we have inside. 10 Hutchinson Drive. We're right off of 128 in Danvers. You have any questions, give me a call. 781-635-8684 is my number. And again, we're right off of 128 behind BJ's next to the new Doggy Depot. We'll see you guys soon. Thanks.